Hello and welcome. This is going to be a quick demonstration video, mostly for our eBay or vehicle technician customers who have a BMW with a faulty ECU. This is the DME MSD80, mostly from 3 Series BMWs, and they get a fault inside here on the transistors. It'll be usually 1 or 2 of the 6 transistors, and they will fail, and this will result in a couple of failure codes. The most common ones that we are aware of is 30BA and 30BB. So what we do is swap all 6 of the transistors regardless of which ones are faulty, because we provide an uprated one capable of withstanding higher voltages, and so they last better within these units. And this video is literally just to show you the process of us replacing them so that you understand what you're sending it here for. Once we've done that, we package it all back up and send it back to you. So with the lid off, we'll put the multimeter into diode mode, ready for testing. All of the readings from the legs on the transistors should be the same, there or thereabouts. In all of our testing that we've seen, whenever we get one faulty transistor like this one, that means you're going to have a misfire related to one of the injectors in the engine. Once we know that at least one of them is faulty, we can be fairly confident that that is the issue with this ECU, and so we can begin to remove them all, ready to replace them. We add a small bit of flux and some leaded solder to the pads, and then we're ready to begin installing the new and uprated transistors. With the new transistors successfully installed, we'll do one final check with the multimeter to make sure all the readings are similar or as they're expected to be, and then we're happy that it's complete. Once it's all back together and sealed up, it's ready to go back out to the customer. If you want to see more videos about BMW ECU repair, then check out this one, which I'm going to put up in one of these corners. Like and subscribe for more, and until then, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.